Mastering Exam Day. Cambridge B2 First, FCE, Strategies. Hello, English learners. Preparing for the B2 First exam, also known as the FCE. Today, we're diving deep into tips and strategies to ensure you excel on the big day. By the end of this video, you'll be better equipped to tackle the challenges ahead. 1. Rest well. The night before the exam, get a good night's sleep. Your brain performs best when it's well rested. 2. Preparation kit. Ensure you have all necessary materials ready. A clear pencil case, multiple pens, your ID, and any other essentials. 3. Stay calm. It's natural to feel anxious, but remember, you've prepared well. Deep breaths and positive affirmations can go a long way. 1. Time management. Keep an eye on the clock. Allocate time wisely across sections, ensuring you don't spend too long on one question. 2. Read carefully. Misreading can cost valuable marks. Always double-check instructions and questions. 3. First instincts. Usually, your first answer is the most accurate. However, if you're unsure, mark the question and revisit it later. 4. Stay organized. Keep your answer sheet tidy. A messy sheet can lead to confusion or even loss of marks. 1. Multiple choice. Eliminate clearly wrong answers first. This narrows down your choices and increases your chances. 2. Open-ended questions. Before answering, quickly plan your response. Stick to the point and avoid unnecessary details. 3. Listening tasks. Focus on the main ideas and look out for keywords. Remember, the audio will be played twice. Utilize both listens effectively. 4. Speaking test. Stay calm. Listen to the examiner's instructions carefully, and ensure you respond fully to each question. 1. Reflect. Think about what went well and what could have gone better. This reflection is helpful for future preparations. 2. Relax. You've done your part. Now it's time to unwind. Engage in some light activities or hobbies to take your mind off the exam. 3. Wait patiently. Results can take some time. Stay positive and hopeful. And there we have it. A guide to conquering the B2 First exam day. Remember, preparation is key, but so is staying calm and trusting your abilities. We hope this video has been beneficial. Best of luck, and happy learning!